Today we bring you a few great watches from the 1940s. First we have an Art Deco style Longines with a glossy black dial, pencil style hands, a square sub-seconds counter, and golden dot hour markers. Most notable is the grooved angular case. With its hidden lugs, its typical 1940s flair. We've featured a similar watch before. A few years back, we featured a rose gold model with a chocolate brown dial. Today's model features plenty of gold accents from the dial print, the markers, and the hands. Inside is a Longines 8LN movement. 17 jewels, first introduced in 1941. A fitting watch for its golden era. And you can't think 1940s watchmaking without Hamilton. The Hamilton Endicott was introduced in 1938 and ran through 1948. This early model features applied golden numerals on the dial and a sub-seconds counter down at the 6th position. Its worn, rustic hands adds to its vintage allure. The original dial is quite clean, despite its age, with a minute track all along the outer edge. Despite its long lugs, the size sits right at 30mm on the wrist. Inside is the reliable and easy to service 987A movement. And on the back, we have some personalization for the original owner. Relics of a previous generation, still keeping time and still beating today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.